Hi, I'm Katie Vaughn, Vice President with Sierra Connect Insurance Services. Our primary office is located here in Plano, Texas, but we are licensed in multiple states, and that's how we have the wonderful opportunity to work with Modus in the beautiful state of California. The Modus program solves issues for the boards in three great ways. First of all, it's less expensive than other earthquake products. It allows owners to purchase coverage at a very reasonable price, and it offers really great limits at low deductibles. We're very happy about the program. One of the true value-added things that Modus brings is that they will actually come and virtually meet with the boards and explain the program, explain how it works. And because it's such a wonderful new concept, that is such a value added that makes it easier for the boards to make a decision that, hey, yes, this is less expensive, this gives us good coverage for the homeowners, and it's great that they facilitate it so well for us. Again, they do everything to make it easy for us to sell this product and be super excited about it, which we are. It is absolutely critical to us that we work with highly rated insurance carriers, especially when it comes to something like earthquake coverage where it can be so catastrophic. So the fact that Modus only engages with highly rated companies is just invaluable to us. Boards of directors have to look so carefully at their budgets because any increase in their spending comes right out of the pockets of all of the unit owners, including themselves. And so there are a number of communities that have not historically purchased earthquake insurance, and we actively encourage them to at least take a look at it. Let Modus come in, let them talk to you about it, and find out how affordable it is, and that each unit owner will also have the opportunity to get really great coverage as well.